Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will learn how to create custom applications in Salesforce. Salesforce has two types of application. Standard application like sales, services and marketing, which comes out of box with every instance of Salesforce, and custom applications which are created by user as per their business requirement. Custom applications can be created either by using standard navigation or console navigation. Applications which are created using console navigation are called console apps. The main difference between console apps and standard apps is that in standard apps you can open one record at a time in single window, whereas in console apps you can open multiple records at the same time in single window without need to refresh the entire page. With that, let's quickly go ahead and create these custom apps and see the difference. So to create custom apps, let's go to setup. Then in home, search for app manager. Click on new lightning app. Give the name. Let me give it. Click on developer name. You can write the description. You can also upload picture from here as a logo for your application. So if I upload this, so you can see the preview of your application logo and name. Next, here you can select the navigation style. So first let's create a standard navigation style app, and I want this application to be supported on desktop and phone, and I'll leave other options as default. Here you can select the utility item if you want, and you can select where they will be aligned. Go next. Here you need to select the item, or we can call these object. You can select standard and custom objects as per your requirement. Here I'm going to select account, contact and opportunity. Next you need to select the profile to which you want to allow the access to this application. For now I'm just selecting system administration. Save and finish. So my standard application is created. Let's go ahead, refresh and search for the application. And you can see this application. It has its logo, name and arranged tab, or you can say object. So here you can see we have three objects, and if we open any of the record of that object, we open only one record in this single page. If we want to open multiple record, we need to open that in new tab, and that's how you can open your multiple records. Now let's go ahead again into app manager and create application using console navigation. So app manager, new lightning app. This time give it a name. You can upload the picture, so I'm keeping it as it is. Next, this time I'm selecting console navigation, and I am leaving all other settings as default. You can select your utility item. You can select your, I'm selecting the same object as I selected for a standard app, contact and opportunity. I want to select accounts, contact, and you can shuffle the order from here. Next, this is the place where you can set your navigation rules. So for accounts, I want to open it as workspace tab, which means workspace tab here display the main work item or the record such as an account. So for account, I'm going to keep workspace tab. For contact, I want this to open as sub tab of account, which is parent for contact. Same with the opportunity. With that, I'll go ahead, select my profile and save and finish. So now I have created my console application. Let me duplicate this tab and open my console application here so that we can compare side by side. So this was the one, console application. So here is our standard application and this is our console application. We selected same number of tabs in both the application. So you can see in a standard application, these tabs are arranged side by side. Whereas in console, these are arranged in a particular pattern as we selected in the rules. So here, if I go ahead and open account, I can open multiple account at the same time in single window. You can see I have opened 3 accounts here. And within account, if I go ahead and open, so this one does not have any contact. Let's go to the other account. No contact. Let's go to the third account and we have one contact. So contact is opened as subtab of account. And if we have any opportunity related to this contact, we can open that as well. So if we open opportunity, it will go ahead in this. So we can open multiple record at same time in a single window without refreshing this tab. And we can open as many records as we want. Whereas in standard application, as you have seen, we can open only single record at a time. Or we need to open, if we want to open multiple record, we need to open in new tabs. So this is the main difference between a standard application and console applications. So console application provide us with the superior user interface. So if you like to arrange your tabs and open multiple records, you can consider creating console apps. So this is the main difference between console and standard application. And that is how we can create custom applications in Salesforce. Thank you.